Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So let's talk about this tool ZU. This is a great app or say website where we can use anything out of Instagram. Say if somebody has its like public account, so you can download everything, their content, their complete profile, their stories, their deep display picture, IGTV videos, photos, everything. And if someone's profile is private, then you can download that person's uh, profile photo. So let's see a few example. If I talk about my company, that is Scale Up Marketing Solutions, so let's try for download thing for say content items. We are trying. If I talk about profile, so firstly let's see what will come when we are clicking on this profile option. So it will take a few seconds. Sometimes it take more because it will depend on your internet. So this time my internet is not too good. So if I am clicking on my profile, so all the content that I have in this in this account, everything will come here. You can see it, everything, like all sort of contents that we have posted so far, everything will be there. So undoubtedly this is a great tool that we can use to download contents. Okay, so other than this, if I talk about DP, so let's talk about the same account. Okay, let's download this. Okay, so it is there, so we need to click on download and we can easily download this. So this is a great tool that we can use and we can download it in a very fast manner, high quality content, and it is also a free tool. We need not to subscribe for anything, we need not to take any sort of premium or trials, not at all. Like even if you don't have your account for a few days, so they won't like irritate you for no reason to create an account and all these things. Maybe after 30 to 40 downloads they will be asking you to create an account, and once you will be having your account, then it would be hassle free. Like you can easily download it. They would pop up any sort of things where you need to insert your details and everything. So yeah, that's a great tool. You should use this if you love to like share videos or any reels from one's account, or if you are liking any reels. So we normally share it on WhatsApp, or then we normally share on our different platforms, social media platforms. So yeah, you can easily do this. So even this can also help you when you are uploading any reel on Instagram and you are using Instagram's audio, but it gets hard when we are sharing the same video or same content on LinkedIn with the same audio that we fetch from Instagram audio list. So what you can do is, once you upload the reel on Instagram, you can get the link of that reel and then you can download the complete reel from this tool. And by doing this, what will be very much beneficial for you is you will be getting the video with the same audio in on Instagram. So yeah, that's a very time saving kind of like app. You need not to look for many tools. There would be a lot of tools on like Google, but yeah, if I talk about hassle free and something that is working on a daily basis that I need the most, so yeah, you can go with the tool. So yeah, if you like this video and if you found this insightful, just subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come up with any topic, just let me know. Stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.